step out and do this by myself. It's me, myself, and I.
Me, myself, and I.
Them never show me no love. Yo, damage. Me, myself, and I. Show man firm in a brother. You see them a try. Hey. I step out and do this by myself. Them never show me no love. Them never give me strength. Big up cutter than I had the government.
What's up, AQ Squad? And it's again Abby.
And this is SHAD.
And today, guys, we are back with another challenge. So, guys, today's challenge is all about making animal sounds. So, yeah, guys, as you can see in this zip bag, we have a lot of animal name in this year. So, what we are going to do, we are going to pick, each of we are going to pick animal. Yeah. And if, say, SHAD pick rat, she have to make a sound where rat make. If she cannot make the sound, she have to do the action. Yeah. So guys, I know when I go hot. You see? Epic. When I see two mother sister, they know see her craziness down. I know see her craziness down. Yeah, so just give me that thumbs up there. Before watching this video, guys, please like and share the video them guys. Share the video. We are on our way to 2K. Yeah guys, so just watch out the video and just share with your family and friend them and tell them about the Abby Official Queen channel. Yeah. And just leave a comment down below for Team SHAD or Team Abby, guys.
You don't know a thing already.
Yeah, man. So just go and like up the thing and stay tuned for the epic challenge. Yeah. Is it? Big up on yourself and continue to support us. We are grateful. We appreciate all of you guys. Yeah, man, just one big up on yourself. We are out. Yes, guys, so we're going to get right into the video right now. So just remember to respond in the comment section with Team Abby or Team SHAD. And remember to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, just subscribe and tell a friend about our channel. Are you getting into the video right now?
Right into the video, guys. Shake up the back. Shake up the back. Give me a shake. Give me a shake. Come in on your teeth me.
No, 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 fishy. You might have to take out. You don't want
Who
to
first
take
I go? Who first I go?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Why you play that?
I just say I play rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Cut you. I mean,
A paper that eh?
Yeah.
So.
I mean, scissors, so I cut you. Alright, guys, let's see what we're going to take up now, guys. And here we go. And here we go. Please make a note. Rat, guys, repeat.
You
Rat.
don't Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Rat. Alright, go again.
Go on.
Alright, go again.
No, sir. No, sir. That sound like a look poodle puppy.
I saw rat go.
Alright, me I give
Rat
one.
no make them big nice.
Me I give one little make you go on with that.
Because I saw rat go, guys.
Me make you go. Me I make you go.
Guys, comment down below and tell me how rat go. If not,
I
saw rat go.
Me I make you go on with that.
I saw rat go. You can't tell me no.
Look at something. A two paper make it go.
Yeah, teeth in a girl.
No, me have to shuffle over.
Come on.
Alright. Oh! Oh!
Guys, you pick all the guys.
Oh, go now. Oh, go.
I just saw all go.
All go.
I just saw all
Alright,
go.
here.
But no, not for all go. I just saw all go. You have the last chance here. Last chance. If I cannot make a sound, you have to give us the action.
Alright.
Alright, you cannot make it sound, so you have to move like an owl. And that's all go. Alright. This is so I fly all fly. So yeah we get that one.
I fly all
Yeah.
fly.
Alright guys, so me next. God help me.
Honestly, it's unstable pound. Alright.
So guys we pick Snake.
Yeah. Oh, so that. Oh, okay. So because you pick snake, you wear. You pick snake, you can make it look sound. Alright.
Team Abby guys, Team Abby.
Know yourself.
But when the other one they just pick this I'm not showing.
Okay. Alright, guys. Rop.
And hear the drum roll.
Alright. Guys, please pray for me.
Pray for me.
Bomba.
How that?
Octopus. Why me have to get the worst thing then when me not even know how they make their eyes?
So guys, then she pick octopus. Come. Tell me how octopus go. If I cannot make it sound, I can just move like
Yeah, but me
octopus.
can't make me not have too much legs. Alright, let me try and make it nice.
Or some octopus like no, some I don't know. Me not telling them, I never hear octopus make no noise. So better as well just give it
Guys,
a
comment down below and just tell Abby say I saw octopus make their nice.
Alright guys, since we don't know how they make their noise, then we are gonna make that one the pass cause me don't know if I right we
Guys, are you not the judge? So judge the thing for it.
Alright guys, alright. Alright, please God. Please.
Guys, my eyes are
So guys, we
scratching.
pick bird. Oh burger. So burger.
Go on again. Which bird that is?
Bird.
Alright,
Bird.
you win.
No one bird goes. What did I say?
Alright.
No a bird.
Alright.
Me no see a bird.
Alright, Abby, alright.
If I want Steve to train and win. Team Abby. Team Abby. Team Abby.
Bees.
Alright, I win. Alright, I get it. Alright, yeah.
Guys.
No! It's hot!
Oh God.
Rooster!
They're not gonna. They're not gonna. Alright.
Alright!
Alright.
Yes! Team
Alright,
Abina,
seven.
guys. Like Team Abina. Alright.
Guys, remember when I judging the guys.
But I go past shot side boy Team SHAD now.
But I go for Abby side about Team Abby. I won't Abby losing at about Team Abby all the way. No matter what it is.
I'm fans and big up on the self. Oh, that is SHAD. Oh, yeah, pig. Let me see. Sheep. Come check. Come see how sheep. Come. Bah. That is a sheep, man. No.
Yeah. They actually sound like a goat. Bah. Yeah.
Alright, guys, comment down below. Me see if SHAD, Team SHAD.
Guys, don't let me down. I saw sheep go. Remember say sheep and goat actually the same family member. Them you know. No what that.
That's true, but they have more here.
Better about bah.
Oh, okay.
Remember say goat say the month of the year, you know.
Oh.
And them say bah.
No, guys. Moving on to the next one. Because we don't get Rashika, just I say. So, guys, we get cat. Yeah. Me do
want cat. Alright, meow. We don't know how it's Chinese language that. Meow. Hey, which cat that air was China come from or Japan?
See, you know, say some cat make nice. There's tush. Cat's tush, guys. You don't know that? That's what cat make nice.
Alright, guys. The best one out of all.
Which one that?
Move.
You know, say I call with that.
Move, Abby. Move.
What's that called make nice? Yo, boy, you should get one hard one. When can do.
Go. Yes.
And when can't make it nice and you have to do it action. That one them want you to pick.
Or yourself. You, I bet you see anybody, anything I will try, you go get it.
Pick. Me can't make like me can't got like a me don't know pick.
That sound like when you're in your sleep and your jaw bungy. You're the nearest, so me give it. You're the nearest.
That's a pig go. Oink oink.
So pig go.
But sometimes you know.
But the one time they cold in their nose, Abby.
Yeah. Me don't know that check.
Alright, moving on.
Yeah, teeth now.
No, sir. Moving on, Abby. Moving on.
That your teeth now, man.
Moving on.
Show me a win.
Hey!
What that?
Hey!
Our.
Jesus. This one is hard, oh.
Which one?
Hey.
Lion. Hey.
How lion go again?
Me don't know that you pick here. You know how it go. Where's it? I saw lion go. No.
Yo. And that's a lion go?
But seriously, guys, how lion go?
Lion.
Shaggy, you don't know if you make it, so you have to go do it. Me do it. So do it, no? No, sir.
Aye. So we do it.
What? Yes, so nice.
You're so nice, brother.
Yes, so nice.
Guys.
What is that? Yes, so nice. Chicken. How chicken go?
No. Poka. Come on, do it right, man. We know you never laughing, brother.
Yeah, me like me one. Oh God, man. Yes, so nice. Come, Shad. What that?
Yo, from the start, you know, me I get nothing good more than one cow, you know. Me I get nothing good, yo.
So what that?
Fish.
Fish. So how fish go?
Walk.
No, No, I say You can't make it nice, so you have to go move. You have to go move like a fish. You have to go move like a fish, Shalika. Can't a fish go.
What?
And a fish go, Shalika.
That's a fish go.
No, sir.
What? That's a fish go. Me must say they have it too look gilly no so they go so.
No, sir, guys. Come and don't do what a fish go.
No, me I do
me
action.
no.
Me go do action see we
Alright, do action.
How fish go again? No, they hand they look fit. They look fit they move.
Yes, I do it.
So
Do it.
say move look fit.
Why am I not believing in the one? But let's move on.
Think
Car. Me don't know how fast a fish go.
If
I
it so.
swear. I don't know. Next one.
Yeah, but I am. I mean, I get no good one.
We should flea bag good a lot. Dog. Hey!
What make you
I'm getting the nice one, no. I said I'm getting the
yeah? Dog now. Me do you want the dog, you know, man? Why yeah, it's You can't get a try for a dog. Film one better, man. Yeah, bulldog. Bulldog. What that is, Shad? What that is? What that is? What that? Frog. Girl, cause frog easy for do. Right now, I best one again. Me no love frog people. Afraid of them. You can't do it though, but you're afraid of them. Guys, the next time we are going to run down SHAD with one bullfrog. No. Who's talking? Hey. Don't bother with it though. Alright guys, next one. Butterfly. Butterfly go. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get that one day. You don't get it because you don't fly. You have to get up and fly. I fly, me flying. You where? I'm flying. Where? Check them now, forget up. Where? I'm flying. Alright. So then thief shall never prosper. I say you not get nothing good. Guys, comment down below who win. You know I'm a win. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, and turn on the notification bell. And please, hashtag Team SHAD. Hey. What are they? That one are kind of good. What are they? Horse. No, this not safe. As a horse go, this not safe. Alright, horse. Yeah. What is it? I wonder which one this I know. Elephant. So how elephant go? Jesus. Hey. Come elephant, come. How elephant go now, God? If I cannot say, if you cannot make the noise, please get up and do the action. How elephant go, guys? How elephant go? Second chance, and then the third one come. They done. Get up. No! Shadi guy almost strong now. Come, get up. It's a bad one. Come, do the action. Make sure I say pull point up in the air. How elephant go now? Come, put in the hose. Come, multi-curve. I saw elephant. Come, do it again. You know, up in our ear. So you don't turn. Abby. So I say just go so it move to point up in our ear. You know, have to point up and then make it straight. Alright. Lord, thief shall never prosper. Thief shall never prosper. So life, it's life. So guys, we have one more night bag and a for me. Two more night bag. Yeah? Two more night bag. What that is, monkey. So that one good one. You can make monkey sound. Monkey that. I saw monkey go still. I saw monkey go. So me not gonna say that one there wrong. Monkey that. I lost one in there. Oh God. Mosquito. No. She got some mosquito go. I see that. Alright. Guys, you don't know how joggings go. Comment down below. Unu me I go with. Unu. Guys, if you see me win. And Abby. If you see me take it. So guys, you can see me now no more figure. I shall get the last one. Goat. You get the best one. Baga. Yo. The one you go epic. What me say? So make it epic now. So make it epic. No sir. That's how it go. Alright, good. Now you're talking. That is not at the air. Who bad at me? Bad. No, That is the one. We're gonna pick two random ones. So me gonna go and like I never know that. Two random one? Yeah. So we're gonna pick one. So we don't have no more. So this one just pick two, one. Okay, I say you gonna pick one and me pick one. So you're gonna pick
And me if you tell her what fig one.
Alright, you tell me, Shaka. You tell me.
Go like me.
Cha?
I joke.
Go like you.
I joke.
Alright, me go like a SHAD.
Go like me.
Me go like a SHAD.
Go like me.
Me go like a SHAD.
Go like me.
Me go like a SHAD.
Me animal.
Alright, give me one. Give me one to say.
Alright, go like me. We just do one look random stuff. Just go like me.
Go like me. You can't go like me yet. Hey, Kaka. Oh, me no know SHAD go.
You know, like me then.
Oh, I like you. I like me first.
No, you go. You go. First.
So I pray now, Jesus, everything up and running. Yeah, man, everything balanced. Is it? Let's go.
Me. Go so.
Why pray, bro, God? Everything mad. Yeah, man, everything up and running, man. Alright. Go like me now.
Go like me now.
You know what part of how me go on when me get one joke or me hear people business. It's when I be hear people business. Why? I wanna say girl, me kill myself. Why?
Go like me now. Tell the part go like me.
I wanna hear people business.
Let me hear people business.
No, sir, where you say go on, girl? Come, tell me where you say go on, girl. I lie. Girl, come, tell me where you say what go on. Alright, me know the foreign sound, but that's sound.
Alright, guys, me I'll give you one little piece of Abby again. So me I go make Abby. One time, alright. Abby I go say, SHAD, you not hear what go on? And me go make you know how Abby galang. So you go say, SHAD, you not hear what?
What go on?
SHAD, you not hear what? Abby, you not hear what go on? Yeah, me and Abby and you, SHAD. So,
Oh.
So, you know?
Abby, you hear what go on?
Who dead?
We don't know how we just have the styling. We don't know.
Guys, everything. Who dead? Who dead? Why? That was joke.
No, that's not like what I
That
wanted.
was a
That's
joke.
another lie.
Anyways,
Alright guys, so guys, this is the end of the video. So guys, just remember to like, share, and subscribe. And spawn the
Team SHAD all the way.
Team because I almost get everything right.
No, me get everything. Guys, you don't know if you do it. Down in the comment section, tell me who win. Yeah.
Yeah. And guys, continue to support us, and we are on the road to 2K, and we want to get monetized for 2021. That's all?
2030. I joke, I make.
You don't know next year. We want to get monetized.
No, we want to get monetized before next month.
I want to get monetized for September.
December.
September. And guys, we want 100 likes on this video.
100 likes.
100 likes.
100
and 5,000 views. If we can't get so much. Guys, just share the video.
We are going to get it.
Alright, we are going to get it.
Hey.
We believe in it. We
Yes, right.
Yes, right. Yes, right. Yeah, man. So just continue to support us, and we have our next banger video drop soon.
Soon.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. And big up Craig Jones. That no finger. Yeah, man. Big up at himself. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We are out, guys, with a banger.